Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about filtering data in SQL. So basically, whenever we run a query, first of all we have to write the structure, which is select from, and the last one is where clause, which with this clause we can filter our data. So it's the most useful thing for filtering data. And here you can see first I run without where my query. I just put here asterisk. It means I select all of the data from my table and run. You can see here it's my table, the whole table. I have 29 rows here. So now I want to apply some filters here. I just come here and write where, and here I write, so I filter by, I can filter by one column or two columns, so it depends. Like I just filter it by state equal to Ohio. So whenever we write a string, we should put the string in quotation, double quotation or one quotation. And so my customer ID should be more than 3000, customer ID greater than 3000, and run. So you can see the result. We have just 4 here. The state is Ohio, which we have filtered, and also the customer ID, which are greater than 3000. And also I can sort it order by here, like customer ID. So if I put it like this, it will sort in ascending order, but if I write DSC, it will sort in descending order. So I just type here DSC and run. You can see here, so it automatically sorted, and also I filtered the data. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.